Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please let me have those 100 subscribers before the end of this week. So please subscribe. So we have this question here which is saying an unskilled worker may either walk to work a long route which is 5 kilometers to take a bus journey of 7 kilometers. The average speed of the bus is 24 kilometers per hour faster than his average speed, taking the average walking speed as x kilometers per hour. Question number A. Write down expressions for the time of the journey. Roman A, when walking. Roman 2, when using the bus. Go to question number B, which says the journey by bus takes 36 minutes less than the journey on foot. Find his walking speed. So that's the question number B. And question number C, which is the last one, hence find the time he takes to walk to work. So the time taken for him to reach where the bus station is. So we are going to start by writing what we have, which is question number A. Write down expression for the time of the journey when walking. So Roman 1. So from what we know from the question is an unskilled worker may either walk to work along a route 5 kilometers. So for the expression for the time, so from what we know, time taken is equals to distance divided by the speed, and we have been told that taking the average walking speed as x kilometers per hour, so we are going to have the distance is 5 kilometers divided by x kilometers per hour. So this is the time taken by the worker to walk from maybe his home to the bus station. So this is the required answer. So it's 5 all over x. So this is the speed and this is the distance. So the SI unit here is maybe either minutes, seconds, or hour, but because we are using hour, so this is 5 over x hours. So that is the time taken. So in Roman 2, so when using the bus, the distance, so time taken is equals to distance all over speed, which is equals to the distance from while using the bus is 7 kilometers divided by the speed. And we have been told that the average speed of the bus is 24 kilometers faster than his average speed. So the initial speed while walking is x kilometers per hour, but while using the bus it is 24 kilometers per hour faster than his average speed. So we're going to use x plus 24 kilometers per hour. So this is kilometers per hour. So this, the SI unit here is hours. So it is 7 all over x plus 24 hours. So these are the two required answer for the question number A. So we're going to the question number B. The journey by bus takes 36 minutes less than the journey on foot. Find his walking speed. So we have been told the journey by bus takes 36 minutes less than the journey on foot. So this is the time taken by while he's walking, and so that we can have this, we're going to subtract that 36 minutes, which is equals to 36 all over 60 hour, so that it can be in terms of hours. So 5 all over x minus 36 all over 60. So when we subtract this, we're going to have this time taken by while using the bus. So 7 all over x plus 24. So we have this expression. So just for you to understand that this question, the journey by bus takes 36 minutes less than the journey on foot, so that the journey on foot is 36 minutes more than that while using the bus. So this is the expression. So that we can have this, we will subtract 36 minutes, which is equals to 36 all over 60, so that it can be in terms of hours. So this is the expression. So this is the same as 36 all over 60 the same as 3 all over 5. So we have this 5 all over x minus 3 all over 5 is the same as 7 all over x plus 24. So let us multiply by the denominators in each side, so that we can have a simple fraction which is easy to work with. So we are going to have 5 into bracket these two, because this one will cancel. So we're going to have 5 multiplied by x is equals to 5x plus 24 multiplied by, we're going to have 120 minus this 3. So this x multiplied by x is equals to x squared. This positive will still remain to be positive. 24 multiplied by x is equals to 24x. Then is equal to 7 into bracket. This will cancel, multiply by the whole of this, so we are going to have 5x. So opening the bracket, we're going to have 25x plus 120 multiplied by 5. We're going to have 600 minus x multiplied by 3, x squared multiplied by negative 3. We're going to have negative 3x squared plus this negative 24, this negative 3 multiplied by 24. We're going to have a negative, so we're going to have plus negative 24 multiplied by 3. We're going to have 72 is equals to 5 multiplied by x is equals to 35. So we have this equation. So this is 72x. So putting it together, all the like terms together, we're going to have 25x minus 72 plus 600 minus 3x squared is equals to 35x. So we have 25 minus 72, we have negative 47x plus 600 minus 3x squared is equals to 35x. So let us take this side to the other side. We're going to have this starting with this, so we're going to have 3x squared, because when going to the other side it's going to be positive, so plus 35x plus 47 minus 600 is equal to 0. So putting this together, we're going to have 3x squared plus 35 plus 47. We're going to have 82x minus 600 is equal to 0. So we can use, this is a quadratic equation, we can use different methods in solving this, but you can just use that product and sum, because the product here is 600 multiplied by 3 is equals to negative 1800, and the sum is 82. So the two numbers here definitely is 100 and negative 18, because when you add these together, it definitely is going to give us 82, and when we multiply it, it's going to give us negative 1800. So but we can just use our calculators in finding the answer here. So we're going to use this formula, negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is our a, this is our b, this is our c. So without the x square, so the a is restored, that is a, which is 3 and 82, plus b and negative 600 as c. So we're going to write just the formula there, which is in the bracket negative b plus or minus, but let us start with the plus, and you open the equation b square minus 4ac plus that bracket and that one all over 2a. So the answer is, so x is equals to 6, or this is a very simple way of using your calculator, or when we have a negative here, or negative 100 all over 3, which we were going to neglect this because it cannot be. So back to the question, the journey by bus the bus takes 36 minutes less than the journey. Find this walking speed. So the walking speed is x, which is equals to this 5 over x. So the walking speed is equals to 6 kilometers per hour. So to the question number C, so this is the answer. You have your 8 marks, while you have just written this, because this is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you have just this, you have your 8 marks. So question number C, hence find the time it takes to walk to work. So time taken to walk to work is equals to, the time is equals to distance all over speed. The distance here while walking is 5 kilometers divided by 6 kilometers, so is equals to 5 all over 6 hour, which is the same as when we multiply by 60 is equals to 50 minutes. That is the answer, and the other two. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.